Let's quickly continue. So after this, there is second part of the question which we are supposed to do. Now in the second part of the question, see, first part we found out 2 into 2 matrix where that new matrix X is such that A minus X is equal to 3B. So we found the value of X. Now let us go to the next one, that is find A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. Now here let us go to find out what is A transpose and B transpose. Second one. So we are finding out A transpose plus B transpose. Now for this, let us find out A transpose first. Now transpose is nothing but changing the rows into columns and columns into rows. So that is known as transpose. Okay. So first we will find out A transpose. So A transpose is nothing but what is the matrix A? 2, 3, 1, minus 1 transpose. You can either write it as a small dash above here or the one above here, or you can write it as T also. Okay, both are same. So transpose. Now let us change the values. So this first column what you have, that will become the first row. So 2 and 1, this will become the first row. So if you see here, this is the first column and that has become the first row. Okay, next here again, if you see 3 and minus 1, that is the second column which will become the second row. So this is the new matrix, that is A transpose. 2, 1, 3, minus 1. This is your A transpose. Okay. We will also find out the B transpose. So B transpose is nothing but, what is the matrix of B? 0, minus 3, minus 1, 3 transpose is equal to, or we'll write it in the next line. So B transpose is equal to, now the first column will become the first row here. So 0, minus 1. And then second column will become the second row. So minus 3 and 3. Okay, so this is your A transpose and B transpose. Final answer 2002. Correct, Pujna. Okay, now finally they have asked us to find out A transpose plus B transpose. We already know what is A transpose, which is here 2, 1 and 3 minus 1. We'll take this. So 2, 1, 3 minus 1. This is the A transpose, plus B transpose is 0, minus 1, minus 3 and 3. This is the second one. Okay, now add both of these matrices. So what do you get as A transpose plus B transpose is 2 plus 0, 1 plus minus 1, 3 plus minus 3, and then minus 1 plus 3. Yeah, correct, Ashishwani. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So you'll have 0 here. 3 plus of minus 3. 3 minus 3 is again 0. Minus 1 plus 3, you will get plus 2. So this is the matrix for A transpose plus B transpose. This is the final answer that is required. Understood? Any doubts here? Can we go to the next question quickly then? Okay. So moving further, given that A is equal to, they have given us a 3 into 3 matrix. Okay, this is 3 into 3 matrix. We have to verify if 5A transpose is equal to 5 into A transpose. Please be very careful in such problems. 5A transpose, you have to find the transpose of 5A, which has to be equal to 5 into A transpose. Okay, so what is the first thing that we have to find? We have to find A transpose. We also have to find 5A. Okay, once we do both of this, then we can multiply 5 into A transpose and find out the value. Okay, now let us start. Consider LHS. LHS is this 5A whole transpose is equal to 5A transpose. This is LHS and this is RHS. They have asked us to verify it. So we will take one by one and do it. Okay. So here consider LHS, where we will first find out 5A. So 5A is nothing but 5 into the matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in the next step, you are supposed to multiply 5 into every number or element of the matrix. Okay. Now multiply every number and element. Say me the 5A matrix. Give it a try. Five into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10 again. 5 fours are 20. 5 six are 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. So this will be the matrix for 5A. Aina's the last one. Check it once again. It's 1, 2, 3, not 1, 1, 3. Okay. So this is the 5A. Now on the LHS, if you see, they've asked us to find out 5A transpose. Now let us find the transpose for this. So to find transpose for 5A, so therefore 5A transpose is equal to, so what is 5A? I'll just rewrite here for your reference. 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 30, again 5, 10, 15. Okay, so the column will become the row. So what is the 5A transpose? 5, 10, 5. Second column will become the second row. So 10, 20, 10. Third column will become the third row. 15, 30 and 15. So this is the 5A transpose. Okay, so this is LHS. Now let us consider RHS. What is RHS? 5 into A transpose. For this, we are supposed to find out A transpose. Correct? So A transpose is equal to, what is A? 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3 transpose. Now again the first column will become first row. So 1, 2, 1. Second column will become second row. 2, 4, 2. Third column will become third row. 3, 6, 3. So this is the value of A transpose. Everybody understood? Any doubts still here? Okay. Now let us multiply 5 for this A transpose and let us verify if both of them are same or not. Okay. So next is 5 into A transpose, which is nothing but 5 into, what is A transpose? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 3. So this is this is A transpose that I have taken here. Now multiply. 5 into A transpose is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 six are 30, 5 threes are 15. Okay, now let us compare. See this matrix 5, 10, 5, 10, 20, 10, 15, 30, 15. Okay, this and this. Again you have 5, 10, 5, 10, 20, 10, 15, 30, 15. Both the matrices are same. So therefore, we'll mark this as 2, we'll mark this as 1. Okay, so from 1 and 2, 5A transpose is equal to 5 into A transpose is verified. Okay, understood? Any doubts? Okay, good. Now, next problem, let us see this. If the revenues of a firm, okay, that's a firm of from two branches, okay, so this is firm, FIRM, firm of from two branches on the product are given to us. So they have given us the income that the company would get, and what is that income for the two products is being provided to us. Now what we are supposed to find, we will see. So if you see the product and the branches, products are XYZ and there are two branches for that product, and the cost of the same, here they have given us the income and here they have given us the cost. Okay, they're asking us to find the profit. So we can use the formula profit is equal to revenue minus cost, and we can find out the values here. Before that, we have to convert all of these numbers into the matrix. So this information here will become the revenue matrix, because if you see here it says revenue. So this will become the revenue matrix and this will become the cost matrix. Okay, so let us start the problem. Solution. Profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Revenue is the income that you get. So revenue minus cost. So revenue in matrix form. So I will represent the revenue in the matrix form as R, capital R. Don't use small letters. Okay. And take all of these numbers 50, 75, 100, 75, 25, 30 as one matrix. So R is equal to 50, 75, 100, 75, 25, 30. Okay, so this is the first matrix. Now, the second matrix is cost in matrix form. Now, since cost C is there, so I will give the notation as C, and I will convert this part 25, 25, 35, 45, 10 and 15. Okay, this form I'm going to convert it into the matrix. So here 25, 25, 35, 45, 10 and 15. So I have two matrices. I've got two matrices. One is revenue matrix. The other one is cost matrix. Okay, any doubts until here? Understood? Okay. Now all that we are supposed to do is just subtract these two matrices, revenue and cost matrix, just subtract them. Once you subtract both the matrix, what you will get is profit. And that will be our answer. So profit matrix is what we are supposed to find out. Okay. So therefore, profit is equal to revenue matrix, that is 50, 75, 100, 75, 25, 30 minus the cost matrix 25, 25, 35, 45, 10 and 15. Okay, good. You're giving me the answers. Now, 50 minus 25, 75 minus 25, 100 minus 35, 75 minus 45, 25 minus 10, 30 minus 15. This should be our profit matrix. So therefore, profit is equal to how much? What will be the matrix now? 50 minus 25 is 25, 75 minus 25 is 50, 100 minus 35 is 100 minus 35 is 65. Then 75 minus 45 is 30, 25 minus 10 is 15, 35 minus 15 is 15 again. Sorry, 30 minus 15. Okay, so this is the profit matrix which we required and we are taking that. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Okay, so the next problem is solve for A and B if A minus 2B, they have given us a matrix, and 2A minus B is another matrix. So here we are supposed to find out A and B. We are supposed to find out A and B, and here they have given us two equations. So if you see here, A minus 2B is a matrix, and then 2A minus B is another matrix. Now we have solved simultaneous equations, correct? So we'll be using simultaneous equations even in this matrices and we'll be solving them. Okay, so let us start. So solution. So first write down what is given. What is given? Two equations are given to us. A minus 2b is equal to 4, 6 minus 10, 6 minus 4 and 2. And then 2a minus b is 4 minus 8 to 402. These are the two equations given to us. Now, if I have to cancel, if I have to use simultaneous equation by elimination method, I have to make either A or B with the same coefficients. Correct? So what we are supposed to do is, how we were multiplying for the equation before, same thing we'll be doing it here. Yeah, correct, Lakshmi. So equation 1. So I will say this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now we will multiply equation 1. The whole of equation 1 should be multiplied with 2 and then the second equation will be multiplied with 1. So what we are going to do, one second. Yeah. So multiply equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 1. Okay. So what is equation 1? If you see here, A minus 2b is equal to 4, 6 minus 10, 6 minus 4, 2. Whole of this should be multiplied with 2. Okay. So first what you will have, if you multiply A minus 2b. So A into 2 is 2A minus 2 into 2b is 4b is equal to, now multiply the matrix. What was the matrix? 4, 6 minus 10, 6 minus 4 and 2. Okay, now multiply. 4 into 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 2 into minus 10 is minus 20, then 6 2s are 12 again, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this is the value that I get as the first equation. Did you all understand the first equation? Yes? Okay. Now the second equation. Aishwarya, there is still time. Don't worry about that. Okay. There is second equation. Second equation is 2a minus b is equal to, what is the equation? 4 minus 8 to 6 minus 4 2. Okay. Now this is a simultaneous equation. Now here I'll have to change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here it is a plus matrix, so it will become minus. Okay. Now in this I can cancel 2a. So if I cancel 2a, what is remaining with me? Minus 4b plus b will give me minus 3b. Okay. And then I have to subtract these two matrices. So write down both the matrix. 8, 12 minus 20, 12 minus 8, 4 minus 4 minus 8, 2, 6 minus 4, 2. I am taking down both the matrix just like that and putting a minus sign. So we will subtract these two matrices. Now subtract the matrix. Minus 3b is equal to, what are the two matrices we had? We had 8, 12. Okay, we'll directly do it instead of writing once again. So it was 8 minus 4, 12 minus of minus 8, minus 20 minus 2, then 12 minus 4, minus 8 minus 0, and then 4 minus 2. Now say me the final matrix here quickly. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus of minus 8 is 12 plus 8, which is 20. Minus 20 minus 20 and minus 2 is minus 22. 12 minus 4 is 8. Minus 8 minus 0 is minus 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the value that I get for minus 3b. Okay. Now, any doubts until here, first of all? Minus 3b. Okay. Now, the next step, how we did in the previous problem, the previous to other previous problem. If it is minus 3, if it comes on to the other side, it will become minus 1 by 3 into 4, 20, minus 22, 8, minus 8 and 2. Okay. Now, divide this minus 1 by 3. You have to divide it for all of the numbers and you will get a matrix for B. So what is the matrix for B you will get? Minus 1 by 3 into 4 will be minus 4 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 into 20 will be minus 20 by 3. Minus 22 into minus 1 by 3. So minus into minus is plus. So you will have 22 by 3. Then similarly, minus 8 by 3, plus 8 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. So this is the value of B that we get. I've just multiplied 1 by 3 to all of the numbers here and I got this number. Any doubts until here? No. Okay. So this is not the end of the problem. There is still more problem. We'll continue in the next class. You have to, now we have found out B, right? So you have to substitute this B value in equation 1 and find A. Okay. Give it a try. I'll also do it in the next class. Okay. So we'll stop it here for today. Thank you, students.